In this video, I am solving second electric circuit question given in the year of 2021 GATE EEE. In the previous video, I have solved the first electric circuit question. Now the second question is, in the given circuit, the value of capacitor C that makes current I equal to 0 is dash microfarad. The given circuit is this one, 10 volt AC in series with resistance 10 ohms and J5 ohms is the inductance, and here across this 10 volt J5 ohms is the inductance in parallel with J5 ohms plus which one is the capacitance C. Now this question is given under the topic AC networks. Now we solve the question. This is a simple one. Let me recall Ohm's law. We know Ohm's law, voltage is proportional to current. Now eliminating the proportionality, V equal to IR, voltage equal to current into resistance, that is resistance for in the case of DC networks, and V equal to IX, X is the constant, which one is called impedance in the case of AC networks. We know this. Now we are taking this equation as consideration to solve this problem. See the question. We have to find the capacitor C that makes current I equal to 0. So the given condition is current I equal to 0. Now in this equation, let me substitute. The impedance X equal to V by I. So I equal to 0 means V by 0. So impedance becomes infinity. So impedance equal to infinity for the circuit. So we are considering this one to solve the problem. So if the impedance is infinity means we have to find the impedance of the total circuit. So let me find. Now we are terming this as XT, where XT is the total impedance of the circuit. To find XT and then equating it to infinity. That we are going to do. Now XT equal to the total impedance equal to here 10 ohms plus J5. Here in this loop, this J5 in parallel with series connection of inductance and capacitance. So J5 parallel with J5 plus capacitive reactance is XC. Now 10 plus J5 plus, for the parallel condition, J5 into J5 plus XC by J5 plus J5 plus XC. Simplifies as infinity. So we know anything by 0 is infinity. So we are considering only the denominator term to find the capacitance. So the denominator term is J10 plus XC, that is equal to 0. Anything by 0 is infinity. So we are equating J10 plus XC, the denominator term as 0. Now we know XC equal to, so from this XC equal to minus J10. So XC is 1 by C j omega, that is equal to minus J10. Now minus J10. So therefore C equal to 1 by J square is minus 1. So omega into 10. Now in the question, the frequency is given as 5k radian per second. So 1 by 5 is 0.2. 0.2 into 10 power minus 4 farad. So in the given question, they asked dash microfarad. So the answer becomes capacitance equal to 20 microfarad. So the capacitor C equal to 20 microfarad, which makes current I equal to 0. That is the answer.